Hi, I'm Anthony with Metal Man, project manager here, and today we're going to discuss a little bit about our helmets and our lenses and some of the common issues we see with these. So here at Metal Man, we have a large line of helmets with several different graphics to choose from. As you see in front of you, these are three of some of the graphics here at Metal Man and that we make. Most of our helmets, as you can tell, come with the outside shade control knob. You can go all the way for your variable shade from 9 to 13. We also have grind mode. Inside the helmet, you will notice that we have adjustable headgear. You can adjust it in and out to fit any size head. Very flexible. Sweatband is replaceable. All headgear, everything that you see here is replaceable. Replacement on these lenses is pretty simple. Most of your helmets will have a wire guide here, wire retaining frame. You push that down, let it pull up. You grab your lens, and then it slides right out. You notice on this lens, we have a battery cover. The battery covers are replaceable. They get lost easy. All you need to do is know what type of lens it is. Give us a call. We can replace your battery cover. Comes with AAA batteries that do come with the helmet. However, if you replace your batteries and your test light and everything else is still not working, to replace this lens is very simple. You come over here to the side of the helmet. You pull off your knob. There is a washer here. You loosen that up. This will fall out. You give us a call and we can replace this lens. If it's under warranty, we ship it to you, no problem. If there's issues with it, feel free to send it in to us. We can look at it and possibly repair. All of our helmets come with an outside covers lens and an inside cover lens. These are simple and easy to replace. When you buy your helmet, you automatically get one inside the user manual with your battery holder and battery. In order to replace the outside cover lens, all you do, take your finger, pop it in, and then you put your new one in. You grab your new one, set it in the slots, give it a little bend, and it's in. Why is this important? These outside cover lens keep weld splatter from hitting your sensors, which you will see here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors. Without this outside covers lens, weld splatter can damage this lens. Once we notice weld splatter on the lens, it voids the warranty. Always make sure you have an outside cover lens that you can see out of. Once they get dirty, replace it. You can give us a call here at Metal Man. You can buy a 5-pack of MLK 85 outside lenses so you can continuously replace them without voiding any warranty on the lens. As similar to the front on the outside cover lens, the lens on the inside also has a cover lens. It's called your inside cover lens. Very similar to the front. All you need to do to replace it is put your finger in the notch, lift up, and pop out. After you pop it out, replacing a new lens is very simple. You slide it in the groove and just snap it in. And that's all into replacing the inside cover lens. Next, we're going to talk about batteries and the difference between batteries and solar power. The battery is only good basically to start the lens, so to speak. We have three different style lenses here where the batteries are all different. What you need to do is always make sure this battery is good. If your lens stops working, first thing you need to check is the battery. For this type of helmet and this type of lens, the battery goes right in here and connects. There we go. The battery is only good for starting and stopping basically the solar power on the lens. Another type of lens with the battery cover. So once again, it's the same dial that sits on the outside of the helmet. However, this one is different. The battery is a CR2450, but a different type of battery holder. All you do is push in, and your battery's in. To remove it, you have a little knob here. Pull it out, test your battery. If your lens quits working, test the batteries first. If the battery is good and your lens still isn't working, give us a call and we can repair it or send you out a new lens depending on warranty. One way to test your lens to make sure everything is working properly, including your battery, is once you have your battery inserted, just like that, you'll notice on the lens right here, you have a test button. If I hit test, the lens will go dark. That is how you know if your battery is working. If for some reason, let's just say the battery is dead, and you push test, nothing happens. Another option we have with our lenses is diopter lens. These are magnifying lenses. They range from 1.0 all the way to 2.75 and can be used on any of our lenses with or without your glasses. They simply go over your lens and then they latch in with the retaining wire that's right here. And then they sit like that and it magnifies everything. Once again, our sizes run from 1.0 to 2.75. All right, so we've talked about the Metal Man helmets a little bit today. So when you purchase your Metal Man helmet, this is everything you're going to get with it. You're going to get, of course, the helmet of your desire, of your choice. We have very many different graphics to choose from. You're going to get an outside lens cover, your main lens, and then you also get an inside lens that protects the inside, as we talked about earlier. Also, what you will get with the Metal Man helmets, you'll get the manual, you'll get an additional outside lens, you'll get the battery cover that we saw earlier with your first battery. When you purchase a Metal Man helmet, everything on these helmets is replaceable. We carry all replacement parts in-house here at Metal Man.